You just want food. You just want your hands? Oh, that's not bad, huh? You sit up? He kind of likes it, I think. Yeah, you kind of like that, huh? That's not bad. Oh, drooling it all out. Oh, now we're gonna get messy. You sit up? Oh. Oh. That's the worst part, sitting up.